How to sign up to eToro. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos like this. First, you need to check if eToro is not blocked in your country. Because eToro is regulated in Europe and the UK and Australia and America. So, whatever countries don't allow CFD trading is going to be blocked. So, you got to check this list and check is your country, make sure your country is not on this list. So, you can just pause the screen there to make sure that your country is not on this list, but most countries in Europe are not blocked. When you're signing up, please use my partner link that will be underneath all my videos and it supports my work for free. Just click onto that link and it'll bring you on to this page. And now you want to pick a unique username that is easy to remember because in the future people may actually copy you. So I'm using the name Ended Trading because it's the name of my YouTube channel. And then you need to set up an email address or one that you have already and your password, and then you just click Start Trading. So now it's creating an account. I'll save the password there. So that's how easy it is, guys. And now I have my new account, Ended Trading, which is cool. Next thing you need to do is just verify your account. So you click on verify or complete profile there. Click into that and it just tells you a warning that you continue. You have to answer to deposit up to $2,000. And it says your personal information will be processed to create an investor profile as required by the regulatory departments, and this is kept confidential. So you just put in your name and your second name or surname and your gender and birthday and click next. Now you need to verify your address, and this should match the proof of address that you're going to have to upload to eToro. So proof of address should contain your full name, address and issue date and should be no older than 3 months. So the name or logo of the issuer should be clearly visible, and make sure you scan your document against a different color background so all four corners are visible. So like on a table, a brown table. Your proof of address can be one of the following. So it can be a bank statement, credit card statement, electric, water or gas bill, council tax bill, tax letter or bill, house rental official agreement issued by the government, or letter from your local government, or phone bill or internet bill. And your documents should be scanned flat, and it should be on a table, a different color table with all the corners visible. Okay? So that's what you need to do. It should match that, and then you click next. You need that further on. You see a warning comes up here. It asks you, are you a US citizen? Okay, so this stock investment experience over the last year, how many times have you invested in stocks or ETFs? I can say 20. Okay, you can say never, or you can say 1 to 10. It's not really back checked. So I think when I started, I put in 1 to 10. And in the last year, how much have you invested in stocks and ETFs? So if you want to match mine, or you can put in your own details there. So next it says your crypto experience. Over the last year, how many times have you invested in crypto? I can say 10 to 20. I'm not a big crypto investor. And 2000 plus. In the last year, how much have you invested in crypto? And then you click okay. Leverage question. Okay, this is important to get it correct. The following question relates to your leverage investment experience with CFDs, etc. How many of these investments have you made? I've made 20 plus. You can put in never, etc. So I invested 2000. So I don't advise leverage for beginners, but I have done about 20 plus leverage trades. Okay, trading knowledge. Okay, what's your investment education experience regarding leverage products? Okay, so you're a professional certified, or you have work experience in this, you have a degree in financial degree, or I have attended some trading courses. I've attended some trading courses, and if you watch some of my videos, my tutorials, you can say I have attended trading courses. You can say I have no knowledge, financial knowledge at all. So guys, just bear in mind, if you click this, I have no financial knowledge, or you have no experience trading before, it's going to affect your leverage. Okay, so they're not going to allow you to do massive leverage. You might have 2x leverage, but you won't have 5x leverage. But that's up to you. So leverage is very risky, and that's why it comes into account. So make sure you do research before you start trading and watch loads of YouTube videos. Okay, so the trading knowledge assessment, we like to assess your knowledge. So this is the correct answer at the start, just this one. if you have to click the correct one here. If I deposit 1,000 using 20 leverage, which is 20,000, and if the market moves by 5% against my position, so it drops by 5%, you multiply 5% by 20 is 100%, so you lose all of your money. So 100%. So that's correct there, and you click. Okay, so your planned investments on my account here, planned investment is going to be mostly stocks and indices. So I click next there. You can pick whatever you wish there. So how long do you plan to leave your position open? This is going to be my long-term account, so I'm going to put in long-term there. You can say a few seconds to 24 hours, day trading, or a few weeks to several months, which is swing trading. You can select whatever you want there. What best describes your primary purpose of trading with us? Okay, future planning, saving for education, additional revenue for me on this account. Okay. And let's see, your attitude towards risk. So let's see, how much do you plan to deposit in eToro over the course of a year? So this year, it'll be up to 20,000, okay? And I'm looking for maybe a gain of at least 20%, and I don't mind losing 12%. Okay, all right, that's my risk score here. Right? I don't want to lose any money, but that's what I'm willing to risk. Okay, your potential gain and potential loss. Which risk reward? That's my risk reward for this account. You can select whichever you believe. So I expect to gain 4,000 while risking up to 2,400 of my yearly investment. Okay, so minus 12 and up 20% of the 20. So you can work that out for yourself and then click next. So this just asks, does any of these apply for you or any of your immediate family? Are a director or shareholder of a corporation like Apple, employed by a brokerage firm, etc., like eToro? They have a high level elected or public office position, like in the government. So none of these apply to me. So I click next. In here is your financial status. So you need to say the source of your income. So I selected salary, investments, and savings. And then your occupation, I work in IT, and your company name, and then the amount, your annual income per year. It's not going to be shared as confidential as for eToro and eToro system here. And your total cash, how much assets you have at the moment in your savings or investments. And then I click next. I need to verify my account, so I need to upload a proof of address and a proof of ID. And your ID needs to be up here to top. I went through proof of address already, so proof of identity. Your proof of identity document should contain your name, date of birth, and a clear photograph, issue date, and if it has an expiry date. That should be visible as well. A passport is preferred proof of identity and is a document which will be the quickest for eToro team to process. So if you have a passport, use your passport. It's going to be the quickest. Alternatively, you can use a driver's license or any government issued ID. If the document is double-sided and there's relevant information on the backside, please make sure to upload that as well. All of the information of your proof of identity should be visible, okay? So don't put your hand over any of the details there, and upload the full document without cropping or in focus. Okay, so just take a picture of it again on the table or etc. without cropping it. And that's all you have to do. I'm going to upload that now. Now, before I upload my documents, I need to verify my email. So come to your email, and eToro would have sent you this email, and you just click verify to verify your email address. And that just loads up there, and it'll just say your email is verified. Okay, perfect. Okay, so that's email is verified. And guys, if you ever want to come to your settings and you lose track of where you are in the process, you can just come to settings here and you can come up here to end the trading. There's a little arrow there, and you can see here I need to verify my phone number too, proof of identity and proof of address. Okay, guys, so I verified my phone number. You just have to put in your phone number, click verify. They send you a text with a number, and you put in the number, and it verifies. And it shows I verified my phone number there. And also, if you're setting up a second account, it'll say that your phone number is already used in your first account, but you just contact eToro through their support page or their chat, and they will connect your second account with your phone number from your first account. Okay, so let's complete the profile. So what I gotta do now is upload my passport. Okay, passports are the best. So I took a picture of my passport on the table with all the corners and sides being shown. You need to make sure that. Okay, so that's done there. That's my passport. Next, I put up an address, so I put up a bank statement, and remember showing all four corners and on a table. Okay, so you can see the outline of it, no cropping or anything because it won't be accepted. Okay, next I put in my tax ID number, okay, and then I click next. So there we go, the deposit went straight into my account, so I got it, $400. And then I'm ready to trade. I have $400 in my balance there. And also, if you want to know the minimum deposit amount on your first time deposit is $10 in the US and UK. Most of Europe is 50, and there's some other countries. And then afterwards, it's $50. But all bank transfers must be at least $500, just for some information there. So all I need to do is upload a picture. So I'll do that now. So here we go. Let's upload a picture. There we go. And upload. And there we done. I've done. Okay, I believe I can start trading now, but I'm going to wait till my account is verified. So there we go, the picture's in, pretty cool, and I can go and start even trading now. Let's see what's already. We finished your verification process. I'm already verified, guys, so I can start trading straight away. Oh my god, that was very fast because probably because I linked my other accounts, my first account, so I'm already verified and I can start trading. Okay, hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe. Remember, if you want to sign up to eToro, use my partner link in the description. It won't cost you anything, but it support my work. And I'm going to be making videos of how and what I'm going to trade with this account. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video. Peace and love. See you in the next video. Bye.